So what do you get with a perfectly balanced deck and a grip face that covers the entire driver plate, leaving no areas for the pad to slip? Well, you get performance. And one of the things that the Pivot's known for is its ability to dry strip floors. Now truly, that performance translates into any cleaning function that you put this into. But when it comes to dry stripping floors, did you know that the Pivot can dry strip 5 coats of finish in 5 passes? Take a look at this video. What we're going to see is that the Pivot removes 5 coats in 5 passes. Here's how fast we're moving. Let's speed it up and see what the Pivot can do. So there you see it, 5 coats in 5 passes. All of that, remember, is a result of a perfectly balanced deck and grip face from edge to edge, leaving you no areas where the pad can slip. Every inch of pad is working on the floor.